Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account was compromised on Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to open an Instagram account and you're facing the error like this, your account was compromised, then it means you have used any third party app and given the access for the Instagram. Okay guys, maybe that's why it's not working for you. Okay guys, because Instagram detected that your account is on risk. Okay guys, that's why you're getting the error like this. So let me tell you that when you tap on change password, you can change your password, but when you open the Instagram again, you can see this type of interface. Okay guys, so what you need to do is just simply have to close this page first, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap and hold the app if you're using Android phone. Okay guys, go to app info and just simply have to clear the cache or clear the storage of a app, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser. Okay guys, let me tell you that if you're using iPhone, just simply have to remove the app from your iPhone, and after removing the app guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open any browser. Let me open here Safari. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to search reset Instagram password. Just simply have to search for this. Now wait some seconds. Here it is guys, just simply have to tap on that. Now wait some seconds. So as you can see guys, if you have deleted the app, then you can see this type of interface. From here you have to put the email address. You can also put the username or phone number here, and just simply have to tap on send login link. Okay guys, so put the email address or phone number, and after that the link will be sent to your email or phone number, and you can easily change the password and just simply reinstall the app, and after that log in your account again, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.